Hello everybody, welcome back. So just a real quick video here on Ethereum. So Ethereum is acting and generally does act as essentially the leader, or maybe probably more appropriate to say the indicator of altcoin health. So we've been doing some good runs here on the daily, not quite as constructive as a chart as Bitcoin on the daily, which looks like this. So I'm going to compare and contrast these charts, and I'll show you what they both basically mean. So the skinny white line here is the 7 simple, the orange one here is the 10 exponential, and in a bull market you want to be above but at least the 10 exponential, which we have been for quite a while now on Bitcoin. Every time we come back down for a retest, we basically retest that and bounce. But lower than that would be the 20 simple, which is basically the center of the Bollinger Band, which is this pink one here. Now if you want to go even super turbocharge on that, then the next level up would be this 7 simple, and that's basically where it's been going as a result of going into turbo mode basically. So staying above all of these moving averages is always going to be bullish, and currently Bitcoin is still above all of those major moving averages. In fact, we're on the top one at the moment, which is the 7 simple. Now if we start to come back down and break down and start to find rejections on these, then it would start to look a little bit more bearish. Now Bitcoin's not done that yet, but if we have a look at Ethereum, as of yesterday, we started to break down beneath these. So we were riding up, riding high, being launched from the 10 exponential, coming down to test the 7 simple, which was all looking very good, but then unfortunately we've kind of started to break down a little bit. So now we've broken down and we closed beneath yesterday the 10 exponential and the 7 simple, and today we've moved above the 10 exponential, but we're yet to get above the 7 simple. Also, if we were to look at some of these other indicators, the RSI has definitely got room to move, but the MACD looks like basically as if it's going a little bit bearish. Now what you could say also on this RSI is that there is a bearish divergence, meaning that as the price action was going up, the RSI was finding lower highs each time, and also now lower lows each time, and this trend line is likely to be respected, which basically means that I'm slightly now bearish on Ethereum, which means that I have to also transfer that over to the altcoin market, so be bearish generally on altcoins. So obviously we're still in a relatively constructive trend, but there are telltale signs now that this is topped out, and if this is topped out, then most other alts will have topped out too. And if Bitcoin finally decides to break down from here, then it would be pretty nasty across the board. One thing I would say though throughout this is that I've been trading with some of these trading bots recently, and even in the up and down trends they've been able to make profit, massive profit in fact. There's two types of profit. There's the investment profit, so my investments will be up by this amount, but then there's also the bot profit, which means that on top of my investment I've accumulated this amount more, and that's generally done in downtrends. So I would be very proactive, to be honest with you, in implementing some of these trading bots. There's a link below. You can set up an account for free. You can also test this on the demo mode, so you don't have to obviously hand over any money to it. And basically the way it works is it works through your Binance account or whichever account that you've got. So what I would suggest is, if you did want to use these trading bots, set up a second Binance account. I've got a link for that below, and also you get 20% of your fees back if you use that Binance account. So set up a new Binance account that you'd use just for the bot. Use that link so you get 20% back on all the trades, because you'll be making a lot of these trades. Even this one, this has been going for 24 hours. It's made 1,300 trades. So obviously you want to get some money back on that, so you can get 20% back on all of those trades. So set up a new Binance account, put a little bit of money into that, and then set up your bot to trade through the Binance account that which is essentially just for the bot. And then set up some of these pairs. So it's like I say, it's a really good way to make money, especially in a downtrend, which is where I believe we're going. So rather than trying to buy dips and things like that, you can set up a trading pair, which is essentially going to do all that for you. Plus you get 20% back with all your trading fees if you use a new Binance account with the link that I've got below. So I'll leave it with you there, but like I said, I think a lot of these are going to be topped out, so I think we're going to go into a downtrend, which isn't the worst thing in the world, and especially if you're using those bots, it's actually the best thing to do, because you can just accumulate more throughout the downtrend, and actually not lose any money and not lose any positions. Anyway, I'll leave it with you there, but thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.